everyone, we are here on IGF 2024 and we got the greatest opportunity to have a short interview with Vольфганг Кляйнвахтер, professor emeritus for internet policy and regulation at the University of Athens. Good day, thank you for your agreement to agree on this interview. And well, first of all, as far as we have our own school on internet governance, the first question that I wanted to ask you, how did the idea of summer school on internet governance come about, and how do you assess their effectiveness, particularly given the active participation of students, and what is new? Are you going to be online school or you will stay offline? Please share some ideas about the school and how do you think?
Thank you very much. And the idea of summer school on internet governance came out from the World Summit on the Information Society 20 years ago, when internet governance was a new concept and only a small people understood what it is. So the majority of governments and also of other stakeholders had no clue what internet governance is. And the problem is that a lot of governmental people then asked academic members of the working group on internet governance where I can study internet governance, and the answer was nowhere, because normally universities are organized around disciplines. You can study law, you can study business, political science or culture or informatics, but internet governance is a multidisciplinary phenomenon. It has a technical component, it has a political component, economic component, political science, social science are involved. And so the idea came out from a workshop in 2006, 18 years ago, where we said we have to develop a transdisciplinary curriculum, and the best thing to present this is in a one-week course, what we call in Europe a summer school. So I did a pilot project in Germany, and this was a success. So we had a face-to-face gathering from around 25, 30 fellows from around the world, with a faculty of 20 persons, and went through all the different components of internet governance. And this success story has produced a number of followers like Childs, and now we have around 25, 30 schools on internet governance around the globe. Each school is different. Some have more also online courses, but we prefer in Germany to have the traditional face-to-face teaching 1 week in one place, and with a very good direct conversation between faculty and fellows.
That's so great. Thank you for sharing. Our school in Russia is online, but we can agree that on that fact that it is more effective to be offline, just to interact with students. But in your opinion, what needs to be prioritized today to engage young people in the internet governance issues?
You know, these times have changed since the World Summit on Information Society times. So in 2005, internet governance was seen as a technical issue with some political implications. Today it's a political issue with a technical component. So that means a lot of new things have emerged since in the last 20 years. So in 2005 there were no real social networks, we had no smartphones, and AI was still very low. And today we speak about issues like cybersecurity, AI governance, and all the platform regulation and all this. So that means if you want to start a school, you have to look into what are the problems of today and tomorrow. So certainly the problems of tomorrow are rooted in the problems of yesterday. So that means if it comes to the definition and the general guidelines and principles for internet governance, this hasn't changed such much. So that means the definition of internet governance in the Tunis agenda from 2005 is very relevant for what we have today on cyber governance or AI governance or ICT governance or IoT governance or whatsoever. So the three main aspects are: you have to have a multi-stakeholder approach. No stakeholder alone can manage the issue. You have all this has to be based on collaboration and sharing. Again, nobody can do it alone. And you have a holistic approach. That means you have to see not only one aspect, but you have to see the technical, political, economic, social, cultural implications. So, and this was relevant for the internet 20 years ago, and this will be relevant for AI now in the years to come.
Thank you. Thank you so much for this interview and your thoughts.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Thank you very much. Большое спасибо.